In the digital era, we're all bombarded with information, short on attention, and driven to distraction. Sellers aren't immune. Today, sales professionals work with an average of 6.8 stakeholders and 16 colleagues per deal. That means longer and more complex sales cycles. They're on twice as many teams as they were a few years back, and they're constantly on the go, making it harder for teams to collaborate. Now, with Dynamics 365 for Sales Professional, modernizing seller productivity has never been easier. Dynamics 365 for Sales Professional is the simple way to close more deals and boost productivity. Cut through the complexities and focus on what's most important with contextual, real-time dashboards that show you which metrics to focus on, so you can take informed and consistent action towards the organization's specific goals. With a holistic view of customers, you get context to tailor every customer interaction. Clear guidance directly inside sales records gives you specific steps needed to move a deal forward as you work. Streamline workflows right out of the box with sales capabilities that work with familiar tools like Office 365. Work anytime, anywhere, across web, smartphones, and tablets. Use familiar tools like Excel for bulk editing and conducting analysis with automatic write-back. Co-author winning proposals in real time with tools you already know how to use. Start with just what you need now, then easily add capabilities as your business grows. With little to no technical skills, configure Dynamics 365 for Sales Professional for your specific sales processes. See the changes cascade automatically to devices. With the power to simplify and easily scale and adapt to future needs, quickly overcome distraction, regain focus, and build sales momentum. Using Dynamics 365 for Sales Professional.